let's go ahead and position the sofa in the room. It's always a good idea to begin with arranging the larger pieces of furniture first. Following that, I placed a circular coffee table in front of the sofa. Additionally, I've included a light tea table, perfect for placing a teacup or other small items. Also, to give a sense of gathering in a circular arrangement from the living room. Now, let's also position the single-seater sofa in the room. Next, we will hang the curtains, and when you are doing this, make sure to press the 2D button. In this state, placing the curtains first makes it much easier to arrange them properly, and adjusting their size becomes straightforward. I have put up the curtains now. Now, we are going to install the lighting fixtures in the room. Similarly to before, when installing the lighting, you should press the 2D button to place the items in the desired locations. It's really easy to determine the position and size. By arranging the lighting and furniture like this, doesn't it feel like the space is nicely filled? Now, let's add some decorative touches to enhance the space. First, let's hang a picture frame on the wall. Additionally, we will enhance the corners that draw your attention with strategically placed lighting and plants. When you need to adjust the size of an item, you can do so by using the Length Adjustment tab that is conveniently located on the right side panel. Now that we have successfully completed the arrangement of the living room, we will proceed to decorate the dining area in a similar manner. Let's start by arranging the furniture. Once the round table is in place, we can arrange the chairs around it. With the furniture set up, let's also add some lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. We will incorporate some decorative elements here to enhance the space with a more charming and intricate touch. These details are commonly found in the kitchen. You can enhance the dining table by placing items such as water bottles and cups, and adding candles for a warm ambiance. Additionally, on this wall shelf, we will also add some accessories. Once you have completed all the arrangements in the 3D modeling software, let's proceed to the rendering stage. Please click on the Image/Video tab located at the top of the screen, and then select the Perspective View option, which is found at the very top. I usually shoot in 4K resolution, and I prefer to set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a better viewing experience. By clicking on the Customize tab, you can access the section where you have the ability to set the custom lighting values according to your preferences. When you click on the pencil icon from this menu, you will be able to configure the lighting settings for your project. To achieve a warm and cozy ambiance, I set the lighting temperature to 4500 Kelvin, which enhances the space with a comfortable and inviting feel. If your lighting setup is complete like mine, take a rendering photo. This is the view from the living room to the kitchen. Capture an image that showcases the harmonious blend of the lighting and the sofa, ensuring they both appear beautifully together. Alright, now let's take a look at how it turned out together.